Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work the bobble stitch. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. The bobbles are worked on the wrong side of the work. During the contrasting yarn colour, I'm using lilac. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Repeat 3 more times in the same stitch. You will have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Double crochet in the next stitch. Continue working along the row, working 1 bobble in every 10th stitch. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.